Niamh here in Tully Nurseries and welcome to this week's YouTube video. Despite the cold weather, we have the plants have been hopping out of it in the tunnel. Our 3-litre patio plants bedding range is ready and we're really excited about it. We spent a lot of time last year travelling and going to the flower trials looking for new varieties that we can add to this range. We've also revamped the pot. Natalie, if you want to zoom in there, we have quirky icons and nice forks, just very kind of classy with the Bella Bloom logo. This particular variety is called Pinkceptional. It's really vivid, you can see there on the ground. It's gorgeous, really nice. If you want to follow me, over to your right then you've got Queen of Hearts. I really like this one, the striped colour of the flower. There's a nice contrast there. So just to keep in mind, we have single varieties, but we also have the Trixies, which is the 3 plants in the one, so it's a ready-made and just fill your planters. These ones are single varieties because there's demand for people who have specific colour themes in mind. If you follow me down, here is all the Wisley Vanilla. This is the pink form, not ready yet, but as you can see, it's coming on. And over that side you can see it's coming on really nicely. So here's Wisley Vanilla, and this was one of our best-selling plants in this range last year. The scent is just gorgeous. I have a communion myself next weekend, Harvey's first communion. So last year for my niece I planted these in lovely ceramic pots, and they're really beautiful, and I put them out in the patio on all the tables and they were gorgeous, really nice, really soft on the colour palette. So if you want to follow me down, I've got a bench down here all made up with the full range. It's nice to get a shower today too with the water on beside me on the lavenders just potted. Okay, so we have Cherry Kiss from Memory, really nice. Queen of Hearts, I told you about already. I think this one is a More Joy, Natalie. Yeah, a More Joy. We have Wisley Vanilla, told you about that already. Pinkceptional, and I really like Riverside, and Peter Dowdall mentioned this on the Today Show at Mora and Dahi during the week. With the Bidens, they really do love, the bees love Bidens, and so it's really nice just to promote gardening, bee-friendly gardening, planting whether it's lavenders or salvias to attract the bees. But the bees love this plant as well. So as you can see, there's a huge selection. It's all coming on fast every week. Have a look at the Looking Good list because they do sell out very fast. Thanks.